So this is my project. It's essentially a graphing calculator, except it draws the lines on a coordinate plane. So the computer...
So, hang on one second. So it draws with the same thing that Brandon uses. This is a Patent Robotics little armature thing. It's got a little dry erase marker in there. And how does it lift up and down? How does the pen lift up and down?
It stays down.
Oh, it always stays down, but it could lift with this
Yeah,
this servo
it could lift
here.
with the servo motor, but I ran out of time to program it to do
Okay.
dotted lines.
All right. So, oh, you're going to do dotted lines. Clever. Okay.
So I first enter a slope, and I'll do a slope of 1, I guess, and then negative y-intercept, it's like -2, and then it asks for confirmation, and then I lift the computer up so the wire doesn't drag the robot.
Okay.
And that's the line, and it's a little inaccurate because of not exactly calibrated, but if I worked a little bit more, I could make it exactly calibrated.
Well, that's pretty close to 45 degrees. I mean, it's a slope of 1, right?
Yeah.
And it's a -2 y-intercept? Okay, great. Show us another.
So I could also do,
Can you give us like a positive y-intercept and a negative slope?
sure, I could do a negative slope of, let's say, -20,
So that's going to be pretty steep. Okay.
and then a y-intercept of 1,
Okay.
and then it would ask for confirmation again. Let me just make sure it's lined up. And then that would be it. And it is going to be a little more shallow than an actual slope of 20 because of the calibration, but
Well, that's
that
pretty
was
cool.
as close as I could get it.
That's great. Nice job.
Thank you.